All right, everyone. Here's a new website. This is neal.fun, and this is Neal's uh, event game, etc., called Ambient Chaos. So here we go. Let's play with it. We're gonna add some lo-fi beats. Keep it chill. And then all of a sudden, out in the distance, a medieval battle begins to take form. And the cavalry, and the swordsmen, and the horses, and all the etc., they're all fighting. And then while they're fighting, let's see here, it starts to rain a little bit. Just a little bit. It's starting to get wet on the battlefield. A little bit of rain here. And then, while they're fighting, there's a celebration nearby. They're just blowing off fireworks. They're just like, we love fighting. We love fighting on the battlefield when it's raining. And then after that, there's a nearby couple, and they're like, man, this shit's so loud, we're pissed. And then they start fighting with each other. We're just like, this shit's crazy. We need to move out of here. This town is fucked. And then, without warning, down the street starts passing a marching band. Just as if nothing were ever happening at all. And then they pass on by. They're walking away. Now they're gone. But then all of a sudden, the chill lo-fi beats, they suddenly disappear. As well as the happy fireworks suddenly disappear. And the couple arguing, they're fucking gone. And now we just have the medieval battle in the rain. But then all of a sudden, what the fuck is that? What the fuck is that? What the fuck is that? Is there a train coming? Oh my god. There's a train! Then the rain stops. And then the medieval battle, they all get on the train. They all decide to stop fighting. Now they're all going to Hogwarts. Everyone all aboard. Go to Hogwarts. And then there was silence. Nothing but silence and my silly, sultry voice. My silly, sultry voice and a nuclear siren. Oh!